Freelancing is empowering millions to grow their own careers, take control of their schedules, and live better lives. And Fiverr makes it easier than ever. My name is Oren, and this course is all about how to be a fantastic online freelancer and how you can apply your skills to become successful on Fiverr. It all comes down to how you offer outstanding customer experiences for everyone you work with. And I'm going to show you how, starting right now. This course will cover an overview of Fiverr and how the platform works. We'll then talk about creating your gigs the right way, with killer descriptions, gig images, and branding that build sales. After that, we'll go over converting customers through communication and powerful order management. We'll learn about growing your business on Fiverr with analytics, self-promotion, leveling system, and learn from Fiverr. Finally, living the lifestyle of a successful freelancer. We'll go over all these topics in detail so you can easily turn these super tactics into shortcuts for success on Fiverr. As the education manager here at Fiverr, I love seeing our marketplace elevate every day. I've worked with freelancers all over the world for 10 years, and this course is a culmination of that experience and expertise. It's no secret that Fiverr can help you use your professional skills and talents to grow your income. This course was built on what we know works, with these guidelines helping you every step of the way in growing your presence on Fiverr, whether you're brand new or have years of experience as a freelancer. These best practices, tips, and tools are essential to maximizing success on Fiverr. The content in this course is based on experiences of high-level sellers and platform data that shows what works. Everyone can gain a lot by taking this course, even if you already know how to use the Fiverr platform. From converting customers to engaging seller profiles and communication techniques. This course will help you craft a perfect, award-winning service and description that keep customers coming. This is more than just a simple how-to that cuts you loose at the end. This course delivers tools that you can use every day as a seller. Ready to become a star seller on Fiverr and a better freelancer? Let's get started.